Hello everyone, here we are in the second day for the winter storm.
Yes.
I promised to you I will go out in the second day and I show you just we go, yeah, snow a lot. We go a little bit out soon and here is Alexa. Say hi Alexa.
Hi.
Say hi. You wanna go see outside? Again, how is the big snow outside? Look, the storm is more strong now. You can see now. It's a big snow now. Now the car is almost half in the from the snow. Look, it's very bad weather, very bad condition. Very bad condition outside. So we're walking through.
They're walking outside.
You can see the cars. There's a lot of snow. If you have a big truck like that, it's still good. But the small car, look, it's a lot of cars. One car is stopped already there. Yeah, you can see very well. There's the one car is stopped. It's because it's a lot of snow. So that's why I can't drive in today because it's a lot of snow. Yeah, that is the situation when the people start driving with a small car. That's no good idea. For this situation, it's very bad. See, the car is already there. Stop. Just be walking a little bit, just for show you how it's snowing, and the storm is a lot of snow is coming already, and it's still until 12 a.m. for today. So that means all day is snowing. So how come? Tomorrow, later is a lot of snow. Maybe they say 40 centimeters of snow. Yeah, the car, they can do anything. It's very stuck. Zoom and I show you how is a big yeah, some people start cleaning now, but still a lot. I'm not driving today because it's a lot of snow. We can stop. You can see another side is the highway. There's no car running. See only one trailer there. It's very bad condition. See you soon. Hello, here we are, the second day for the snow. The outside. The snow and the outside is very high. Here we are, the outside. The people started cleaning the snow. This is the second day for the storm, winter storm. There's Alexa with her mommy. She says she wanna walk outside. it's not possible driving today because you can stop. As you can see, a lot of cars in the parking lot. They don't want to go out. For sure, it's a stop in the snow. I fall down because it's very slippery. We need to be careful when we walk. I slip down. Slippery. You see the big mountain snow here because they get a lot of snow. It's only in the parking lot. It's too much snow. A lot. You can walk, but if you drive it's How you feeling walking outside in the snow?
Good.
Huh? Look your face. So red.
Your face is red. Your face is red.
How you feeling?
Good.
Good? Okay. Alexa says she feeling good. You see here, I try walking here, but it's not possible. And this car tried to go outside, but I don't think it's possible. It's not good. Can stop. Just been walking through here. How's the snow? Walking through the Walmart is open. I don't think there's no customer. Super snow. Just we go walking through Walmart because we can't driving. We're scary about driving because it's too much snow. It's a lot of snow outside. Here's Alexa, have a fun walking. How you feeling? Good?
You need to buy the jacket like this.
There are too many cars, so yeah. Wait.
It's open now.
So,
Where's that?
huh?
Where's that?
What?
The guy.
Why? He say hi?
He go here, I say hi. Where's that?
I don't know. What guy? The red car?
Yeah.
Walmart. Just we walking through because it's not possible driving. It's too, a lot of snow in the road.
My legs are hurt.
That's what I said in another video is if you have an emergency, go out. Better stay home. See in the parking lot, mountain of snow. It's a lot. No car coming in. It's not possible. Just walking. Watch out. Car's coming. Why the guy is not going? Ahora snow.
It's way too high there.
You see Alexa walking, is a lot of snow.
Or buy something.
Let's wait. Look, you can see it's a lot of snow in the front. The big truck is parking in the Walmart parking lot. It's a lot of snow, a lot of snow. You have a
Yeah.
car for walking?
Yeah.
We are in Walmart now, so it's open. Okay? We're walking in the snow. Good?
Yes.
Okay, yes, your face is look red. And look, Walmart is empty. No people coming because the storm. The second day for the storm.
Yes.
So we need to walk back to home because I need to connect my car. It's very cool.
Mhm.
No running all day. I need to connect. It's empty. Hello Alexa, you ready for go back home?
Yeah.
Walking back?
Yeah.
You ready for walking in the snow?
Yes.
Okay, why you coming here? For buy your toys and Happy
Yeah.
Meals?
Yeah.
And after
Also juice.
oh, juice.
We finish.
Oh, you finished already?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready for what? Okay, you ready
Yes.
for what? Okay,
Yes.
start walking then. So let's go out.
Feel the burn. Feel the burn.
Say hi. How you feeling walking in this bad weather? Good? Sure? Have fun in the snow, eh?
Yes. We can make a snowboard.
Oh, it's good.
Or a snowball. Or a snowball.
Snow, yeah. You come here, lot of snow. Our apartment is right there. It's very hard for walking. Moving away from the house is very bad. This way. Sure. This is a parking lot from Walmart. You can see, look, it's a lot of snow. Do you hear the ambulance? Because a lot of people stop already. Fire trucks is coming. Some emergency because probably we have already some people accident.
Look up guys back there.
There's Alexa walking there in the road.
We can go now though, even harder.
Too many cars stop on the road. Cars stop there and the fire truck is coming. You can see the cars, it's very a lot of snow. It's full. This is the second day from the storm. Look, the cars, it's very high, the snow. So high. And you can see you can see what is the highest. They say more than 40 centimeters. Look this one. Let's go over the car.